So like most Toyotas, the Tacomas are well known because of their reliability. You see a lot of these with 200K plus miles on them. And this brake pedal takes some getting used to, but I love how sticky it is. And we're just gonna cruise at 70 here. And we're getting about 17 miles a gallon on these off-road tires. And we'll probably get 20 to 21 as the terrain starts to flatten out. But even with these off-road tires and suspension, not a bad ride at all. Of course, the tires on the louder side, but not at all bothersome to me. You just have to be listening for them. And I love that rumble of this V6. We'll just give it a little throttle here. So not bad at all. And I like how it drives. It's very easy to maneuver. It does have that signature Toyota steering though. So you kind of have to move it a lot to get it to actually do anything noticeable. But if you're used to driving Toyotas, you're gonna love that. And if you're not, it'll just take a little getting used to. But overall, with this TRD Off-Road, very impressive ride quality. in the sense that it isn't harsh. It is bouncy, but it doesn't hurt you. This is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2017 Tacoma TRD Off-Road.